guys, so I forgot to film an intro to this video, but I wanted to get on here really quickly as I'm editing it. I have a haul for you, me, baby, and husband, so it's kind of exciting because I haven't done a baby haul, really husband haul, like ever. And I was scrolling through Facebook and I saw this website called patpat.com. It kind of came up as a sponsored ad, and I was like, oh my god, it had the cutest matching baby and family kind of outfits. So I got a couple of matching mommy and baby outfits, and then a swimsuit where me, baby, and daddy have the same outfit. I was really interested to see if it was like good quality or if it was just kind of knockoff stuff, because you just never know when you order online, and it was pretty affordable, so I was like, I wonder if the quality is going to match the price. So I'm going to show you kind of my first impressions haul of the outfits, whether I thought it was worth it. I did do a couple like research videos, like I looked on YouTube and on the internet to see other people's hauls, but some of them were sponsored, so this is not sponsored. This is a true bought with my own money, like real life impressions. So hopefully you enjoy this. If you'd like to see more of these kind of videos, let me know. And I will also point out, by the way, I found these outfits on Amazon, like the exact same outfits. They weren't as cheap, but they do have like the whole Amazon return shipping thing, because Pat has a ridiculous return policy in my opinion. Like you have to return it like super fast and pay the return shipping, which I hate. Like I think all companies should offer free return shipping, but that's just me. So anyways, check out the outfits and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye. So here's mommy and me. So as you can see, we're matching. I think this color is beautiful on brown skins. That's one of the reasons I chose the outfit. It was harder to find cute outfits for mommies, but the baby outfits were super cute. Okay, so here's the back of her outfit. You can see it has this like crossover, and the belt was so long for the sleeves here that I had to wrap them around the front too. But these are like, you can control it by how tight you tie the sleeves. Yeah, she's trying to get the camera. It's okay, Mama. So this is Bella's outfit. Okay, so this is the same material as Bella's. It's more of like a maxi type of style. To me, so it has these pockets, which everybody loves pockets, but they actually kind of poof out. Do you see how they're poofy? And they make me look bigger. So if I have my hands in my pockets like this, it looks cute. But when they're out, they just kind of poof. And I'm wondering if I should just close them, because I've heard of people doing that, sewing the pockets closed. But yeah, it's comfy. I had to add a safety pin right here because it was gapping so much. I would probably put one here too, because you notice how it kind of flops over. It should be also even where this part hangs over. Because, you know, overall, it kind of has a little bit of design flaws to it. But if you're trying to match a baby, it's just like a comfortable dress. It's a little bit frumpy for me. But yeah, this is my outfit. So it is called Summer New Flutter Sleeve Twirl Tan Dresses for Mommy and Me. The color is yellow. So I got baby girl 12 to 18 months, and I got myself a size medium. And I will say that it does run probably a little big for me and a little bit, I guess it's accurate for baby girl because that's 12 to 18 months because she's 11 months old. But I probably could have gone for a size small, but they gave us this random belt for me and her, like a separate one. I didn't put hers on her because I tied her straps around, but without the belt it looks even frumpier. And there are no belt loops, so yeah. So we have outfit number 2. This is kind of a similar mustard color, but it's got this floral print. So it is called the Flower Print Sling Matching Dresses in the color Ginger. She's got size 12 to 18 months on, and you know, it's pretty big on her. Like it almost looks like a little nightgown. Let's see. But she'll grow into it, but do you see how like the armholes are huge on her? So like I said, I would have definitely probably gotten her the size down because it's a spring print and I kind of wanted her to wear it in the summer. But hopefully it will fit her next year. The thing is that like with dresses, they can kind of like fit babies longer. So it's got this kind of slinky polyester kind of material. It looks nice quality. I don't know if it's the most breathable, but I like the little flutter sleeves right here. You see that? I think that's cute, the little flutter sleeve. I wish it had something else, like a little bit of detail somewhere else, because besides that, it kind of just pleats down. But, I'm going to try to put her down right here. It's pretty big on Bella. You stand up so we can see. Ooh, look at this baby. Look at her. Okay, so the problem is with the mommy dress. I don't know if you could see this right here, but this is my bra. And this is a tie front. It's got like a button-up skirt right here, which is loose. Okay, and it could have been cute, but it's just designed badly. So it's got this little ruffle and a square strap. If it fit properly, like, it would be fine. And it kind of flares out. The length isn't bad. Got my little Adidas shoes on. But this is horrible. Like, it kind of untied itself. But even when I tie it tightly, like, there's so much boob showing. So I find that the kids' clothes, you okay? The kids' clothes are like okay, but the mama clothes are a mess so far. So I feel like this was such a waste because, oh no, the hair, because like the return policy is super strict, and I hate when you have to pay return shipping. Like that to me is just so like not necessary. Like a lot of good companies like Asos and, you know, like Amazon Prime, like you don't have to pay for return shipping because, but you're kind of taking a risk because this company is very affordable. I spent like for the whole haul like $85 and I used a coupon code, so I think that's a really good price, but I'm definitely I lost the value in the two dresses that I didn't keep. So this is this one, and I'm going to wait for Daddy because we have a matching swimsuit haul. Ow, ow, Bella. Okay, so we'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so this is the last one, which is a swimsuit, which I feel like a lot of their ads are geared towards matching family swimsuits, which I think is super cute. So this one is okay. I think I could actually wear this. I got a size medium again. The top is supposed to be over the shoulder, but if I put it over the shoulder, it's way too big. I don't know why everything runs big. So I'll just wear it up here even though it's not as cute. I might even wear this top like by itself with like, you know, regular bottom. So it's got some padding in here like cups, which they're kind of like moved around a little bit, but I do like a cup in my swimsuit because it prevents from like nip showing and stuff like that, especially after you've been nursing. Then it has this bottom right here, which is like a high waist, which I'm a big fan of, covers my belly button, and it has these cutouts on the side. I will say the bottoms do kind of show a little bit of side handles, a little muffin top, but they're not so bad where I can't not live without it. So that's what it looks like. Bella's crawling around in her swimsuit. So I wish the bottoms were a little bit bigger, and I wish the top was smaller. But I would wear this, especially if Bella's wearing hers. So this set is called the Breezy Palm Leaf Family Matching Swimsuit. I got size medium. She has size 12 to 18 months. And hers is definitely way too big. And my husband, I went up to an extra large. He usually does a large, but I saw another video where the family had the husband got some swim trunks and they fit tight. So hopefully the extra large isn't huge on him. So let me show Bella. No. Okay, ready, Bella? Okay. So she's trying to eat something. What was that? Alright, so here's Bella. She's got her little top. It's off the shoulder too, but do you see how it's super loose? And then the bottoms are still loose. See? But she'll grow into these. I'm not worried about that. But, I mean, I think it looks cute how we're matching. And it's like definitely like a trendy swimsuit. So, looky! Look, Bella! Yeah! So, we're just waiting for Daddy so he can show his. And then that'll be the final piece. Okay, so we have our family outfit on. Yay! We have to go somewhere now. She gets grabbing my face. So we have, me and Bella have the same swimsuit exactly on. And then Daddy has on the same material as the bottom. So let's come a little closer so you can see the material. So basically, this swimsuit material is the exact same material as his trunks, which is super weird because guy trunks are usually like, aren't they usually like a windbreaker kind of material, thicker? That's like, this is super soft, so it's not like a traditional swim trunk. But he has an extra large on, and I sized up for him. I'm glad I did because he said it fits him just right. It actually hits him like right above the knee too. It's not too short or too long. So look at my sexy husband and my beautiful baby. As you can see though, this top for me and Bella is way too big. We have to wear it up like this because it just falls down. Yeah. So what do you think of the shorts? Would you wear those or?
Yeah. I mean, they're cool. I would want to see how they are when they get wet. They get heavy and pull down and all that.
They're not gonna. Well, let's see, because they don't have a clasp or a zipper on them. They just pull on.
Yeah, they just got the string.
So you couldn't do anything like crazy with them, like. Yeah. But I think this is a cute idea, especially if you go on vacay. Okay. So that's it. And that's it for our haul. So, you good, Bella? You like your outfit? Look how big hers is, though. Do you see how much extra space there is? Alright, let's take a family picture. But we'll see you on the next video, guys. And if you have any more requests, like if you want to see any more outfits from this website, let me know. I think next time I'll know to size down for women and buy her actual size next time, because I feel like it runs big for the women and the girls, and then it runs small for the men. Alright.
Bella, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Of course you're not going to do it when you're on camera. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. There. Bye-bye.
Good job.